Hey guys, so this is Maestro Kuya Avatar then again guys. So for today's video guys, I am back now streaming. So since I have my own email guys. So so if you want to watch more videos, please like and subscribe and click the notification bell. So guys, in my previous channel guys, I know how could I create my own character. This is always my character guys in Gacha Life as what kind of, oh, that's the Americana guys. Where should I find the pants guys? Somehow there are a lot of um props over here guys. Well, I think it's obvious, or oh, I think that's should be my should be the pants I think, or oh no, not this. Okay guys, this should be my pants, and I think I should put gloves. I think, oh, not this. Oops, not cheerleader. And then this is a boy character. So guys, this is the studio area, so I should put my character right here. Well, I need to put my I need to change my name. This name is not Looney. So guys, I'll change my character name. I'll just name Kuya Arden. That's how um, Cassie Avatar C called me. So I'm Kuya Arden talaga for sure. So in this studio I think guys, oh, I could move right here. Anywhere I could move. Pero um wait, could you have friends? Oh, that's Mumble again. Or I'll just have some more friends again. Oh, Pat. Or, well, ah, you could move your character if you put this right there. And then if you push this. Oh, see, guys? This is, this is how it moves. Wait. So, guys, a, this is Gacha Life again, guys. Oh, Mumble again, guys. So this is very fun, guys. Play Gacha Life. Oh, Senpai Buns again. How about her? Bex again. And oh, Fierin. Wait, Fierin. Is that the character that I see in see in is that Fierin? Wait, that's the character that you see in see in Lovely Mocha's YT channel. And just from the shorts. Well, I guess, well, if you're familiar in Harling's channel, guys, um, please subscribe to her and subscribe to me, guys, and subscribe to Avatar C, guys. Well, there's some more characters I haven't seen here. Oh, that's Keenan, and the purple hair is. Oh, look, guys, that's have so many friends. I have so many friends, guys. Look, I have so many friends here. But the problem is I don't know where my character is. I always okay, guys. So guys, this is Gacha Life again, guys. So So if you enjoy this channel, please comment down below guys and hit the notification bell. Bye guys.